That shit's so good, yo.
Y'all, Tobiah went to Oklahoma and got his hair done by somebody else.
Alright. I didn't have no choice. Like, I was in a bad situation.
Listen to this. Tobiah will fly back here for some sneakers.
I would fly back here for her hair, to get my hair did too. But I just couldn't at that time because I had too much shit going on. And my shit was fucked up. I had some important meetings that week. So I was just like, man, this shit just gotta look better than this. Even if it, I knew it ain't gonna be that. But at least, you know what I mean? I can look a little bit preserved.
That was 3 months ago. So, like, that was 3 months ago. And he comes back today. And, like, it's not, oh, I'm booking an appointment. He's like, hey, I'll land at 4 o'clock. Didn't get here till 7, mind you. Because he spoiled as hell. He had to get out of this Uber to whatever excuse he made up to be late.
And I was in a fucking Uber, taking down my hair with my hands. The hardest shit ever.
And left braids in.
I left one braid in. Hold up, my son just called me. What's up, baby? You alright?
Yeah, you in Atlanta?
Yeah.
That's that rainbow hair guy?
Yeah, that's him.
Dad?
Yeah.
He don't got his rainbow hair anymore?
I don't.
He turned
Oh,
it
you
back.
lucky. I wanted to call you snitch and I got
You crazy.
Kids are evil.
You alright?
Yeah, you braided it?
Yeah.
How you gonna braid it?
I'm gonna braid it on. Just get 2 braids.
Most annoying client. Fun fact.
But alright.
So
I'm gonna call y'all as
used
soon as I get done.
my conditioner on him.
Alright, talk to you later.
I'm letting it sit for a little while. I'm about to wash his hair. I'll be back after I blow it out.
But the crazy thing is, you see, my hair is almost outgrew that shit I did. It was a fucking Brazilian blowout.
Oh, Brazilian blowout, Chinese blowout. His hair was dead. It looked stupid.
Shit.
Guess who had to fix it?
He did. He really had to fix it.
I'm really just over.
Only
y'all just do me
doing
dirty.
crazy shit to our hair.
Y'all do me dirty.
My shit was really an accident, yo.
It was not an accident.
No
You
shit
did
like
that.
that.
What you did? And now it's looking crazy.
But not for long. Cause I've been.
Why are you touching it? You been cutting your hair?
I've been trimming this shit off.
Wow.
Little as I go. I want that shit completely out of my hair, yo. Damn, that shit smell good. Oh, your shit smell good.
Smart.
He's only getting 2 braids today, guys.
These little sluts.
Oh, please, no. Are you really? I really cannot. Yo, how do y'all want me to even be successful if y'all gonna talk like this?
No, this might be your shit though.
No, this is not my shit.
Listen,
No.
this is what this is some shit I would rather look at.
No.
I don't want to look at no motherfuckers ain't cussing and shit. I don't like that. That's just me.
I am using the Hairchanic braid gel, Hairchanic precision pick. I use the Hairchanic Bio-Diesel detangling spray to blow his hair out. He's only getting 2 braids. I'm probably gonna end up making it bunless man bun because he doesn't have hair on the sides.
You did.
I'm gonna turn him sideways after I do this part. What can I say? I could have did without him today.
But his day wouldn't have been
Eventful. Jesus.
Could have had like when people be like, how was your night? You be like, it's alright, same old shit.
So what you think I'm gonna say now if somebody asks me?
Hey man, the homie pulled up.
Yo, don't give yourself that much
And
credit.
this motherfucker, whoop, 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 you know what I mean? Because she loves me. Alright, this is what I noticed.
Oh, God.
I gotta let this shit be known.
Yo.
Okay. When you put your stuff on my hair, like, after a day passes, it don't be white and all flaky and like hard. But when other people, they'll put some gel on my shit, and after 2 days, it be like white and crimpy. It's like like a black girl.
No, you better not. Not on this shit. Not on this shit.
No. I'm not about to say nothing bad.
Oh, okay. Shit.
Like,
I got too many sisters. You crazy.
I know. I'm not.
Go ahead. I'm listening.
Alright, so I ain't gonna finish that. It's gonna come out bad. But yours don't. Why is that?
Well, mine is oil based. Right?
Okay.
Yeah. A lot of people put alcohol in these stuff to cut it on cost. But I don't got time for that. Are you tired?
I'm sorry.
See, you let somebody come into your house and you smoke with them.
Bro, this is a production house.
You like this stuff? And the first thing they want to do is be hot and touch their hair and mess up your parts.
Cause I'm thinking it's this hair on this side, this hair on this side. You know what I mean?
No. I met Tobiah on Instagram, so he says, I don't remember.
Yeah. I remember it like it was yesterday.
Yo.
I moved to Atlanta and I went on Instagram. I need my hair braided. Tag him. And this motherfucker got tagged 1,000 times. So I inboxed. I book an appointment. Shot me a link. I said, the fuck? Just tell me. Don't be sending me no appointment.
Right, I'm confused. What?
But I know that's how it is.
That's crazy.
You're a business. I get it.
People want to come on their first try and feel like they just belong.
I wasn't late.
Yes.
I think I was.
You were late your first time.
And then I walked in there. It was like, well, you was late, so I already got another appointment next. I was like, damn. So then I was like, shit, I'm here and I ain't going nowhere trying to get my hair braided. So I'll wait until you get done with everybody in here. And then I get it done. Gonna make sure you don't bump the table.
I'm not gonna bump the table. Because
Cause
he's unprepared. He got his whack ass camera on top of my TV to hold it up.
Let me put this mirror right.
I'm about to turn you this way because I gotta do the other side.
Damn. That's a shot. Look, you like that too though. You like the fact that you get to see it from this.
I don't really care that much. I give two F's like the letters that are on my shoe. Definitely need. Come on. I'm always moving. Okay. Do it yourself.
No. Yo, don't fucking play with me.
I don't got time. I'm done. I'm off.
Come on, come do this video for me, yo.
You want me to start now?
Yeah. Why the fuck did it stop?
Because your phone is whacking shit.
Let me see. Why the fuck, yo?
I told you. That's
Let
why
me
I
see
did.
shit.